Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
We have seen how the Modi government has managed the economy over the last 7 years. The economy is in a really bad shape today, and now over 7 years of misrule, it has come to a stage where even to balance the budget, they are having to sell national assets. There's always a method of balancing the budget. Disinvestment is one of the options which we have followed. As a UPA government, we have followed in the past. But what did we choose to disinvest? What was loss making? What was not being run properly? We disinvested. We did not dilute it. They are trying to monetize profit making PSUs and profit making organizations. This whole exercise of the national monetization pipeline is what they want to do is they want to sell away the revenue that is generated by public assets. This you are giving it to private parties without valuing how much you have spent on creating those assets. And what is the tune of these public assets? It is 60,000 crores, 600,000 crores. We've seen how airports have been given to one particular friend of the ruling dispensation. We are seeing how a healthy telecom sector has become an oligopoly now.
गोंय सरकार कायदो सुवेवस्थेचेर सामकें फेल दिगंबर उलयलो.
The government has failed to maintain law and order, to provide security to the women, and that is why it is slowly moving in the direction of becoming a criminal hub. The government which cannot provide security, cannot maintain law and order, does not deserve to be there. So we said we will call on the governor and ask the governor to dismiss this government and take over the reins of this. We have given him a memorandum with all the details, right from starting from June 2020 till today. How many deaths, how many rapes, how many kidnapping cases, how many other issues have taken place.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी.